The Kedarnath Yatra has been temporarily suspended due to heavy rainfall and an orange alert issued across parts of Uttarakhand. Authorities took the precautionary step to ensure the safety of pilgrims as the trekking route to the shrine was already witnessing heavy crowding. Garhwal Commissioner Anand Swarup said that pilgrims will be halted at designated transit points, including Srinagar, until weather conditions improve and travel routes are declared safe. According to the India Meteorological Department, IMD, light to moderate rainfall, thunderstorms, and snowfall are expected in several districts, including Uttarkashi, Rudraprayag, Chamoli, Bageshwar, and Pithoragarh. Areas above 3,500 to 3,800 meters may experience more severe weather conditions. Officials have assured that the pilgrimage will resume once the situation stabilizes and passenger safety can be guaranteed.